What's my favorite curry? Curry chawal.
Curry chawal.
Dude.
Curry chawal is great.
Curry chawal is life.
With that pakoda in the middle. na,
Yeah,
that-
yeah. Minimum 5-6 pakoras have to be there. I'm gonna go.
Indian
Mmm.
dish is good.
Oh my god. That's really good, guys.
This is good.
Papri chaat is to die for. What is your favorite Indian street food?
I like papri chaat. I like golgappa. I like you know in Rajasthan when you go the kachori. They open the kachori and put stuff in it. Pyaz.
I'm a papri chaat girl.
Then there was a time when I was not in Bombay and parents were like posted to different places. Mom used to make pav bhaji at home. With, right?
The best.
Ghar ka.
Spicy
So,
pav bhaji. To die for.
as an actor, rapid fire round.
Oh, I love
you ready
rapid
for it?
fire. Go for it.
By the way, if you win this rapid fire round,
What do I get?
nothing.
The bill.
Nothing. No. you won't get the bill.
Okay. I like it.
Biryani, especially after the movie that you've done, you probably
Okay.
know a lot about biryani with aloo or without aloo.
With aloo. Aloo should be put in everything. Inside idli also aloo should be there.
Inside idli also?
Yeah,
Wow,
it should
that's
be everywhere.
best thing to eat after a night out in Dubai.
Pizza. Always. And one second.
With
the
pineapple.
world needs to know. No thin crust pizzas.
Oh, okay. Nice cheesy.
That roti pizza, please don't offer.
Okay.
It has to be like a chunky American style pizza.
And in the middle, some of these pizza companies are putting cheese in that border thing also. That's good.
It's called cheese burst.
Oh, sorry,
Please
sorry,
educate yourself. It's called cheese burst, and that is the only way to order a pizza.
आपने हिंदी क्लासिकल में ऑनर्स किया और पिज्जा में भी ऑनर्स किया ऐसा लग रहा है.
लेकिन मेरा बेटर डिग्री पिज्जा वाला है.
Okay, next. पुचका और पानी पूरी.
पानी पूरी. Actually, गोलगप्पे.
So not Calcutta, not Maharashtra, Delhi के गोलगप्पे.
दिल्ली
Oh,
गोलगप्पे यार.
I like this answer.
दिल्ली के गोलगप्पे, दिल्ली की आलू टिक्की.
What's your favorite curry?
What's my favorite curry? Curry chawal.
Curry chawal.
Dude.
Curry chawal is great.
Curry chawal is life.
With that pakoda in the middle.
Yeah, yeah. Minimum 5-6 pakoras have to be there.
Rajma or chane.
I don't eat chane. Rajma.
I love rajma. As a Punjabi, you know the Ambala mein rajma.
Rajma chawal and kanda on the side is life.
You can't even say chawal, na? Rajma chawl.
Chol.
Rajma chawl ho
Chawl.
jaye. Ek plate rajma chawl nahi.
Rajma chawal nahi.
Is that? Okay, next one. Masala chai or filter coffee?
Ooh. अगर बारिश हो रही हो तो चाय और अगर 4 बजे का शूट हो तो कॉफी.
Okay.
बट एक्चुअली मेरे लिए दोनों ही नहीं. आई एम नॉट अ रेगुलर कॉफी चाय ड्रिंकर.
Oh, really?
या बट इफ आई बिकॉज यू आस्किंग मी टू चूज आई एम चूजिंग
छोले भटूरे. आलू पराठा.
आलू पराठा.
With dahi.
आलू पराठा विद अचार.
आम का चार. हंसी तो फंसी
हाँ.
या शुद्ध देसी रोमांस.
हंसी तो फंसी. बिकॉज हंसी तो फंसी gave me kids fans for the first time, which I did not have before.
What kind of fans did you have before? Only boys.
Boys and girls.
Girls from like girls who looked up to you, but boys.
I mean, I think I was the relatable person, and so girls found me relatable. And boys
I think I
too.
know the answer to this one, but this is a difficult question.
Okay.
Sandeep or Pinky Farrar did
Huh.
really well, or Chamkila.
Oh boy! Chamkila, because I met Raghav during Chamkila.
Out of pocket answer. मुझे लगा A.R. रहमान जी का, but man, you did well.
Oh, this is my right.
दाले खास. ऐसा लग रहा है आप
दालें
वापस अपने सेट पे आ गई हैं.
Dale khas.
दाले खास.
Also, I am a lover of pizza, but my number 2 thing is dal makhni and roti and jeera aloo.
That I knew. That's why we ordered this. हमने बहुत research किया, madam.
Guys, dal makhni aa chuki hai.
Wow.
Now this interview cannot proceed.
What's your relationship with onions?
You know,
Love.
we had broken up for a few years, but then Onion
You
and
and
me.
onion?
And then now we are back together.
There's no life without onions. Like so much so that you're now just married, right? Me and my wife, I look at her and I'm looking at her, and then I'm looking at the food. Because some food, मैं without onions खाऊंगा ही नहीं.
Oh, जैसे Indian.
हाँ, like butter chicken या दाल मखनी.
Without onion. I feel you.
You saw that? कितने प्यार से कैसे तहजीब से पहले दाल डाल के. This is a thing in India.
What?
Food comes, you put ये लो.
पहले सबको कर लो,
देना है.
ताकि हम जल्दी खाना शुरू कर पाए. It's very clear. The
Okay,
goal.
हमारा बातें अभी इसके बाद खत्म हो जाएगा because मैं.
Now I can't talk anymore, guys. Dal makhni
Onion
is here.
has entered the building.
And dal.
So you don't cook anything. Does Raghav cook? Now I'll be talking to myself, guys. We have lost Tisha.
How do you know this? Wow. Wow. Now I'm impressed. The research is back. No, Raghav doesn't cook at all.